Okay, so the next resistance machine we have is the shoulder press. It's going to be working your anterior deltoids, your trapezius, as well as your triceps. What we want to do is start with a 90-degree angle in the elbow and press directly above your head. Okay, so when you're ready, I want you to grab the handles in an overhand grip with your thumbs wrapped around, feet planted nicely on the floor, and push directly above your head. How's that weight feeling? Is that okay? Okay, good. Keep that controlled movement, pressing directly above the head, not locking out the elbows. Bringing the bar down so your elbows are roughly 90 degrees until we repeat and press again. Okay, keep your core engaged. We're going to try our best to keep our back flat against the backrest. And as you can see, we've already adjusted the seat down low nicely, so your head is also resting against the headrest. Excellent. Give me a few more reps, please. Up and back down. Pressing up, keeping your wrists in alignment with your forearms. Good work. How did that weight feel? Okay, good.